Hello, my name is Marek Kaczmarczyk from Soul Train UK Limited and also Sector Training. Welcome to this little video. We're just going to briefly show you how we can actually go about setting up your webinar session with ourselves. So firstly, you should have received an email which tends to be addressed from Beach Kaczmarczyk, as I can see here. Contained within the email will be a short link which we can also see here. We just need to click on that link, which will then set us on our process to actually undertaking the webinar session. So if I click that, it launches the meeting center, where I can see it's a Sector Training webinar setup, and we're looking at audio today. And what you need to do at this stage is enter in a name and also an email address. And then simply click join, and upon clicking the join button, that will then launch the WebEx webinar software, and that should only take a second. Right, if I just move that onto the screen to position it a little bit more so it make it easier for us to see. Excellent. So as I can see now, I'm actually live in the WebEx webinar. I can see my name there as a participant next to Beach Kaczmarczyk, the host. Just want to bring to your attention the little chat facility down here in the bottom right hand corner, which is really useful. This allows you to enter free text and converse with the trainer and also the other delegates. There's also a little function here which is the raise hand icon. If you click on that, you'll see the icon appears next to my name, and that informs the trainer that you'd like to ask a question. So onto the audio setup and configuration. In the menu on the top left hand side of your screen, you'll see audio. What we need to do is go on to the speaker and microphone audio test. On this page, this is where we're going to test that our headphones and headphones or speakers or headset and indeed microphone are working correctly in order to fully benefit from the webinar session. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test that my speakers are working okay. So what I need to do is just click on this little button, and I will be able to hear a short piece of audio, which will be either a Vox or a ringtone type sound, similar to that of an old Nokia phone. So if I just click on the test button, I can hear the audio, and I could also see some movement in the green bars here, so I'm happy that my audio is working fine. If I have any issues with the audio and it isn't working fine, I can simply click on the little arrow here next to where it says speakers and headphones, and there may be another configuration built into my PC, say for example the built-in microphone and speakers on a laptop, and by clicking on that arrow it will allow me to choose that setting, say for example. But I'm happy with this one, it's all working fine. Likewise for the microphone. As I'm speaking now, I can see that I'm getting some levels here on the green LEDs, so that's fantastic. Everything's working fine. Again, if I was having any problems with the microphone and no sound was actually coming out, I could click on the little arrow there and I could actually try and find an alternative setting. But everything's fine, so I'm going to click OK. Now at this stage you will receive a short message from the trainer, and this message will basically be inviting you to join the VoIP or the Integrated Voice Conference. It's asking you if you want to participate. At this stage you want to click yes, and upon clicking that it's actually meant that you have actually accessed the web session in respect of the audio capability, so you can now hear the trainer and you can also speak with the trainer. But at the moment it's informing me that my microphone is muted. I can unmute the microphone by simply clicking on the little mute button here. I'll just move that to one side, or if I just look next to my name, I'll see there's a little red icon of a microphone, and I can simply click on that to unmute it. And that's it in a nutshell. Basically I just want to finish up by showing you how to exit the program. So if we go up into the little menu bar on the top left hand corner of your screen again, and we'll click File and scroll down to Leave Meeting. Now, hopefully that's all been quite straightforward. If you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.